Hello and welcome everyone. Bonjour et bienvenue tout le monde. Today we are going to see the different sounds of the letter O in French. So we will be able to learn how we give sound to O in a word in French. So keep learning, enjoy the video, have fun. Thank you. Merci. So to start off, one needs to know that O is given two most important sounds in French. So the first is, we call it a closed O sound, just like in the English word gold. Okay, gold. Then we will move further to an open O sound, which is almost like the English word what. What. So the closed O sound is O and open O sound is aw. Aw. So we will see a few examples to make it more clear. So to start with, the closed O sound. For example, when the last syllable of a word is O, we give it a sound like do, which means back. Do, echo, echo, which means hero. Lo, lo, which means a prize or a badge. Micro, micro, means a mic. Mot, mot, means a word. Trop, trop, means too much. Vos, vos, means your. Another combination which gives a similar sound of O is the combination AU and EAU. So both of them, AU and EAU, are pronounced as a closed O sound, that is O. To start off, let's see for AU, like auto. Auto means a motor car. Sauf, sauf, means except. Faux, faux, means false. Chaussure, chaussure, means shoe. Jaune, jaune, means yellow. Let's see for a few examples with EAU. O, O, which means water. Veau, veau, which means calf. That's a young cow, a baby cow. For beautiful, we have the word as beau, beau. Another example, beaucoup, beaucoup, which means a lot. Peau, peau, which means skin. So we see AU and EAU all were the exact same sound like O. Moving on to the next one, when O is followed by a consonant. For example, chose, chose, means thing. Glucose, glucose, means glucose. Rose, rose, which means rose. It even means the pink color. Moving on to the next one. When O has an accent circumflex. In French we call it l'accent circonflexe. So when we have a l'accent circonflexe or an accent circumflex over O, the sound is a little elongated, more stressed. For example, bientôt, bientôt. So please see to it, it is still the same sound, a closed O sound, just like I gave you the example of the word gold in English. So the same sound, bientôt, bientôt. Allô, allô, which means hello when you call on phone. Chômage, chômage, means unemployment. Côté, Côté means side. Diplôme, diplôme means diploma or a degree. Dhol, dhol, which means funny. Fantôme, fantôme, which means a phantom or a ghost. Hôte, hôte, which means host. The feminine as well. Hôtesse, hôtesse, which means hostess. Impôt, impôt, which means tax. Rôti, rôti, which means roast. Tôt, tôt, which means early. Moving on to the open O sound, which is another very important sound. Just like when we say in English, what? What? So, O. For example, ball, ball, which means bowl or a bowl. We say bot, bot, which means boot. Comment, comment, which means how. So please remember, it's not como, it's not o, it's o. Comment, comment. Dormir, dormir, to sleep. École, école, school. Encore, encore, still or again. Fromage, fromage, means cheese. Homme, homme, means man. Important, important, important. Notre, notre, means our. Téléphone, téléphone, means a phone or a telephone. Vote, vote, means a vote. Votre, votre, means your. So, this was all about the open O and the closed O sound of O. Now, in the next part, we will see 3 more pronunciation rules for the letter O in French. Keep learning with us. Merci. Thank you.